Hello! Hello, people! Hi, Arvin! Hi, Jairus! Kamusta ka? Hi, Ate Colline! Si Arvin parang ewan. Oh. Shout out. Si Arvin nagpapa-shout out. Mas sikat pa siya sa akin. Hi, Nico! Cedric Marie! Hi, Coach Billy! Kamusta? Nico, shout out. Yung mga nagpapa-shout out sa akin, mas sikat pa sa akin. Ba't ganun? Fresh. Naku, ako lang to. Bagong kulay. Medyo naninibago pa ako. Pero, ayan. Hi, Ate M! Ang ganda ng color ng hair mo. Talaga, you like it. Naninibago ako eh. Sobrang dark. Pero wala, kailangan. Bagong kulay. Opo, bagong kulay. Hi! Hello, everyone! Hi, Tony! Ate Cams! Chilis na! Magla-lock-in muna ako. Lock-in lang ako this month, tas chilis na tayo. Bumata ka. Alam mo, sabi nga, dahil sa... sandali lang. Viber ang aking handler. Watching here po sa Japan. Ah! I miss Japan. Ay, ano po ang agenda for today's live? Okay. Hindi ko pa pala nasasabi, no? Ang agenda natin for today's live is magsasalubong tayo ng single release. Kumbaga, maglalabas ako ng kanta mamayang 12 midnight, kaya salubungin natin together. Bale, mag-IG live tayo ng 1 hour, tapos lilipat naman tayo sa TikTok. TikTok live. Para lahat. Nakapag-live tayo sa lahat. Gusto niyo ba mag-get ready with me? Ano bang gusto niyo gawin for today? Oops. Sorry. Hi, Kuya Luigi. Thank you. Sana makabalik ako ng Japan soon. Gusto niyo ba mag-get ready with me para pagdating natin sa TikTok may makeup na tayo? Ano bang gusto niyong gawin? Bawal kasi kumanta dito eh, sa IG. Takot na akong maban. Huling time na nagpatugtog ako, in-end nila yung live ko nang walang pahintulot. Ganda ng kilay mo. Thank you. Medyo kalbo-kalbo ng slide, pero ayan, okay na. Yun lang ang naisip ko, no? Kapag nagpakulay ka ng hair, kunyari, nagpag-dark ako na hair, hindi ko na magagamit yung mga light brown color na pangkilay ko. Meron akong cute na aso dito sa likod. Si Blush! O anyway, mag-get ready with me ba tayo? Yung lang, simpleng ayos lang. Huwag naman yung sobrang napakak. Dahil, anong oras na? 10 p.m. na. Wala naman na tayong pupuntahan. Get ready with me to go to the banyo. Na paano noo mo? Napaso ng curling iron. Kasalanan ko. Galing-galing ko kasi. Nagkulot ako ng bangs. E di ganyan. Tapos, pinaloob ko. Tapos, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, tapos late reaction pa. Hindi ko pa naintindihan na kaya pala may masakit kasi napapaso na pala ako. Ang galing, diba? Coach Kiko, what's up? Skincare. Mamaya pa ako mag-skincare bago matulog. Pero totoo lang, eye cream lang naman nilalagay ko sa gabi. Planet Dessert PH. Are you still using? Yes, I'm still using the Lip Pop Boutique mirror, ate. Ito pa rin ang mirror ko forever and ever. Paano ko ba papakita? Itong vanity mirror ko. Ilang taon ko na tong mirror na sabi ko, hala, pag nasira to, hindi ko na alam saan makakabili ng ganito kaganda at ka-perfect na size na mirror. I bought it from Lip Pop Boutique. Ayan, ikaw pala yan, ate. Mag-get ready ka na. Okay. Let's get ready to go to the banyo. Mag-clip muna tayo ng buhok. Asan si KD? May sakit si KD. Pero better naman na siya kaysa kagabi. Kagabi, taas-taas ng lagnat niya. Parang ngayon, a lot better naman. So, ayan. Before, mag-aayos tayo ng ang pula mo now. Okay, lip tint lang to. Baka sanay kayong makita ang mapula ba ako? Bakit? Wala naman akong nilagay. Okay, magsaspray tayo first. Ito ay aking favorite. Kailangan ko to laging i-spray. Tapos feeling ko after, ang ganda-ganda ko na. Konti lang. Kasi malapit na maubos. Medyo mahal. Yan. Tapos patuyuin lang natin ng konti. So, I will talk you guys through the song na i-release ko mamayang 12 midnight. So, ang title po niya ay Kung Naging Tayo. So, title pa lang parang masakit na, diba? Kung Naging Tayo. Basically, it's a song about yung mga what-ifs natin, yung mga regrets na minsan nagagawa natin, or yung mga bagay na hindi natin nagagawa nung may gusto pa tayo, gano'n, tas ngayon, niregret na natin. Gets nyo ba? Kaya ko ba mag-explain? Anyway, maglalagay ako nito, pampakintab sa mukha. Kasi sobrang favorite ko yung mga pampag-glow-glow ng face. So, ayun nga, mga what if. So, kunyari, obviously, hindi sila nagkatuluyan no, sa kwento. So, kunyari, kayo, na-experience nyo na ba na meron kayong taong crush nyo or, sige na, love nyo na. Tapos, for some reason, hindi naging kayo. Tapos, parang nagre-regret ka. Na, parang, sana kung umuo ako sa'yo noon, nung niligawan mo ako, edi sana tayo na. Kung sana dati hindi ako natakot na magkaroon ng relationship, edi sana wala kang ibang kayakap ngayong gabi. Oh, something like that. Sakit be. So, sa totoo lang, hindi ako nakaka-relate sa kanta. Kasi, happy me. Pero, baka yung iba sa inyo nakaka-relate dyan. Pag kasi nahanap mo na yung special someone na yon, hindi na what if. Tama, syempre. I mean, kung dapat, yun yung mga sinasabi natin na always tell people how you feel. Cause you'll never know, diba? It might be too late. Oh, tigyawat. Diba? It might be too late. Sobrang kintab ba? It's giving oil. Pero hindi. Gusto ko talaga yung ganyan. I love this look na sobrang glowy. Siguro sa Pilipinas, hindi bagay itong gantong mukha. Pero, kunyari na lang nasa Korea ako. Grabe naman yan. Okay. O kayo nga, kwentuhan nyo nga ako. Meron ba kayong mga what ifs na what if sinagot ko siya noon, baka mag-asawa na kami ngayon? What if hindi ako natakot na magmahal? Ganon. Oo, parang sequel ng kung pwede lang. Correct, ha? What's your favorite perfume? I have a lot. Pero, ang favorite kong scent ay yung mga clean and crispy. Mga clean scents, mga fresh scents. Yun yung favorite ko. I don't think bagay sila sa akin, pero wala, favorite ko. Bakit ba? Okay, next. Mag-contour na ba ako? Sige, magkikilay muna ako. Hindi ako marunong magkilay right now na ganito ang aking kulay ng buhok. Hindi ko alam kung gagawin ko. Pwede kayang lighter. Try ko nga mag-lighter. Sige, let's see if... Hala, asan yung pangkilay ko? Hala, nawawala yung pangkilay ko. Nakakaiyak naman yun. Hala? Huh? Nawawala yung pangkilay ko. Sa dami ng pangkilay ko, nawawala pa yung paborito ko. Okay, mamaya na lang. Mag-bronzer muna tayo. Dahil wala na tayo pupuntahan. Ganto-ganto lang. Glowy bronzer pa din. Diba pati bronzer kailangan glowy. Crispy! Oo na, sorry, mali ang ginamit kong adjective. Kasi, I don't know, like when you smell bagong laba, crispy. I don't know, okay? I'm crazy, I think. One Leo. Hi, Alexa. I just want you to know, like, ikaw yung fave namin na celeb na na-picturean so far. Filtra, is that you? Parang ang dilaw, pero okay lang. Is that you, Filtra? Thank you so much. You're so nice. You guys take such awesome photos. Tsaka super bilis pa. Lalagyan ko din yung eyes para may instant eyeshadow. Although may itim naman na yung ibabaw, yung eyelid ko. So, actually, hindi ko na kailangan yan. And then, we are going to blend. What if bumalik siya? Oh! So, pinakawalan mo. And now, you have regrets. Am I correct? Sabi nila nasa lock-in ka na kahapon. Hindi pa po sa, sa 3. Bale, lapit na pala nun. Okay. Hi, Lex. I'm usually your pink puffer coat. What? What do you mean you're usually my pink puffer coat? Pink puffer coat! Alam niyo yun? Pink Pony Club ni Chapel Roan. Parang okay na to. Ha? Tinamad. Paano yung hosting mo ng PBB if nakalakin ka? Hindi ko rin po alam. Sa ito lang. Wala. Absent. Kainis, no? Sad. Pero, I mean, wala. Ganun talaga. Importante rin sa akin na magawa yung movie at nagkataon na nagsagian ng schedule. Pero okay lang, madami pa akong linggo na pwedeng mag-host ng PBB. There are a lot of other Saturdays. So, don't fret. We'll be back. Ayoko na mag-foundation. Okay na to. Next, we're gonna do the blush. Now, I have my favorite Sunny's blushes right here. I love their blushes. What color do you think I should use? Should I use super pink or papaya? Yes, Chapel Roan stands. Yes, we are. What if confess ako bukas? Sabi ni Zani as NY. Go! I dare you. Kung matapang ka, mag-confess ka. Kasi, I mean, what if that person feels the same, right? What if? Hello, Kitty Marie! Hello! He is here! Ang yellow niya. Yeah, it's a bit too warm. I think now that I have like black cool tone hair, Pati makeup kailangan magbago. I'm very sad because this is the only way I know how to do my makeup. Papaya 1, please. Okay. Let me look for my papaya. I think nasa bag ko siya. Hold on. Oh my gosh, nalaglag. Hold on. I think I really need to stand. Hold on. Papaya 1. Okay. I'm wearing my Taylor Swift Eras Tour Kineso. Okay, this is papaya. Nasa bag ko siya. Dala ko siya palagi. So, I have to get it. Okay, let's use papaya. Big Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at that Big Pony Club. Okay, and then we will chok. Yung mga balahibo ng pusa ko lumilipad. I super duper love this blush. Ang ganda-ganda niya sa balat. There. Cute. Okay. And then concealer. Cause that pimple is pimpling. Ito daw ang best concealer pangtago ng marks. So, let's try. Haha, I heard SVU sound. That must be you texting me. Meron akong bagong, hindi naman bago, matagal ko na siyang pinaplay, pero I always stop playing it, but right now I'm currently obsessed with it. It's called Good Pizza, Great Pizza. It is consuming me. Consuming my every minute. Oh, in fairness, not bad. I don't even know how to cover marks. So this is doing pretty good. Sakit dut-dutin, hinog na hinog ang pimple. Ilang araw ka nakalock in. We're still talking about it right now, but parang matagal. Pero hopefully makauwi pa din every now and then. There, and then I will powder that. Oops. Put some powder on it. Yeah. Yay, better. Mag-concealer pa ba ako ng under eyes? Or kaya nyo na akong pagtsagaan? Ang gantong itsura. What brand yung concealer? It's from NARS. Ang dumi na, sorry. It's the Soft Matte Complete Concealer. It's in a pot. So there. Is that NARS? Yes, it is. Ready na pumutok? Parang hindi pa. Medyo malaman na siya, pero may ilalaman pa. May ilalaki pa siya. Parang ganon. Gets nyo ba? Hair color, I don't know. It looks black to me. Just black. It's still growing on me. I'm not super into the black hair. Ay, concealer. Mag-concealer pa ba ako? Natamad eh. Maybe ano na lang. Color corrector na lang ako. Anong ganap mo? Wala. Nagmamaganda lang ako ngayon. Let's color correct. In fairness I think effective yung eye cream na ginagamit ko right now. Tinesting ko lang siya. Kamusta ang experience mo sa pag-host ng PBB? Super fun! Nung una, sobrang kaba, syempre. Super duper nervous. But, I'm slowly but surely getting the hang of it. And, di naman ako pinababayaan ng online team. I mean, sa loob kasi ng online room, kung saan ako nag-host, andun yung ibang staff, yung mga nasa team ko. So, talagang di naman nila ako pinapabayaan. O, diba? Parang 1 million hours of sleep. Ayan siya sa malapitan. I think gaganda ko if mag-curl ako ng lashes. Pink Pony Club. What if greet mo ako like sa 25th birthday ko? Binibining Maria Kit. Happy birthday. How's your workshop earlier? It was great. It was really fun. Nag-try kami ng dramatic scenes. Tapos nag-try din kami like bonding with a kid. Awa nga ako sobra kasi gumawa kami ng isang scene. Tapos sobra siyang natakot sa akin dun sa scene na yun. Feeling ko na-traumatize ko siya. Pero sabi ko naman sa kanya, baby, acting lang to. Hindi to totoo. Ay, wala pala akong salamin. Pink Pony Club. Nose mo ang peg ko for rhinoplasty. Slay! Pero siguruduhin mo lang, sabihin mo sa doctor mo na dapat maganda siya kahit mag-right or left. Kasi parang maganda lang yung nose ko pag left. Pag right, di ko na siya gaanong bet. So, I don't know anong magic niya. Eto, magic to. Eto. Itong concealer. Mascara na to. Like, look at that. Yes? Oh, okay, wait. Okay. Slay. I love this mascara. It's the greatest. Curlash brand is from Surat. Sobrang dumi na niya, sorry, hindi niya mababasa. But it's Surat. S-U-R-R-A-T. So, I'm gonna take like a 5-minute break kasi kailangan ko sumagot sa aking handler. For August 12. Yes po. Alright, next eye. Anong ginamit sa eyes para pumuti? It's an under eye corrector. Bugbog na bugbog na. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. Medium number 2. What brand yung mascara? It's from MAC Cosmetics. I just don't know where to buy this anymore. I've been looking for it everywhere. Can't find it. I'm so sad. So if you know where I can buy this, please help me. So we curl, 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 curl. And then we put the goods. Aray. Penge pera Alex. Wow, love that. Pwede rin kaya ako manghingi sa iba. Nangi nga akong pera, guys. Okay. Paano kumapal ang kilay? Sa totoo lang, makapal na po talaga kilay ko bata pa lang. Brand ng lipstick, wala pa akong nilalagay. Magli-lipstick pa lang tayo. Together. Okay, so for lipstick, ang dami kong bagong lipstick. So, gusto ko silang gamitin. It's from the brand Fui! Ay, ang dumi, kadiri. Sorry. So, we're gonna use the brand Fui. And hanap tayo na. Is this nice? Like a pink. Like a pink pony club. Or like a bit peach or blush. Pansinin mo na ako, inaantok na ako. I-sleep ka na po. Lex, do you still use the Chanel lip and cheek balm? Yes. I can't live without that. Is that your natural lip color? No, it's not. I had lip tattoo done. And I think may lip tint pa ako from kanina. Pero yan. Tanggalin natin. Okay. I don't know which one to use. Should I use the pink or should I use the peachy one? Or this color? I don't know. Sige. Let's try. Di ko alam kung alin. Try ko na lang to. See without. This is the Fui Blurry Pudding Pot. There's one thing I wanna know. Actually, it's not a want, it's a need. I need Beanie Mika's lip combo. Elite. She has elite lip combos. Her lips always look so juicy, always look so plump and gorgeous. I need help a girl out. And then, maglalagay tayo ng something in the middle. Ito rin ang pinaka-paborito kong lippy in the world na hindi ko rin mahanap kahit saan. Halos ipahalughog ko na yung buong Japan at dito sa Pilipinas, pero hindi ko siya mahanap. It's Roman Juicy Lasting Tint in number 14 Berry Shot. This is my favorite. If you can find me this, I will love you forever. This is the greatest. Sobrang tinitipid ko tuloy siya kasi wala na. Cute, no? Nga. Parang gusto ko pa magdagdag ng blush on. Parang nabibitin ako sa blush. Ito pala si blush. Blush? Ito si blush. Hi, blush! Wala siyang pakialam sa akin. Parang gusto ko pa mag-blush on. I think we have to add more. Pink Pony Club, I'm gonna keep on dancing Dancing out in West Hollywood. Blush, 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 blush. I will go back with some more papaya. Kausap ang sarili. True. Always. Slay. Pa-music ka. Bawal po yun dito sa TikTok. Apparently, you cannot, ay sa TikTok, sa IG, you cannot play music or else they will ban my live. And then last, on top, juicy. Okay. It's giving bruja. Parang wala naman nagbago, no? I mean, wala naman ako masyadong ginawa. And don't you know how sweet it tastes? How sweet it tastes? And don't you know how sweet it tastes? How sweet it tastes? And don't you know how sweet it tastes? Now that I'm without you. Ayun, ito na yun. So, anong gawa niyo? How young are you? I am 24 years old. Saan punta mo, te? Wala, sa banyo lang. Sa kwarto-kwarto lang. Fave TTPD track, Prophecy. The prophecy, smallest man who ever lived. What else? Let me check. I love almost everything. TTPD. Guilty as Sin. I love Guilty as Sin. What if he's written right on my upper thigh? Only in my mind. Won't you be falling back into the... Kwento about MV? Okay. You mean the story or like the shooting experience? Ano po yung glass skin? Feeling ko ito yun. Mag-spray nga ako. I love this spray so much. I hope they sponsor me. Glowing, literally. Kasi nga naglalagay ako ng mga anik-anik na pampakintab. Story, if I tell you now, you won't watch the music video. You must watch the music video. But basically, it's like the song. It's full of regrets. The story is full of regrets. things left unsaid or wrong decisions in the past that led you to, you know, regret na siguro kung ginawa ko to, baka kami na. Mga ganong eksena. Painom saglit. I named my child Alexandra dahil nagbuntis ako. Ikaw lagi kong pinapanood sa PBB. Thank you! Thank you so much! That's so sweet. It's so sweet when people do that. Thank you so much. Yes, and yeah, the music video should be really sad. I hope it makes you cry. And syempre, yung kasama ko dun sa music video is si Emilio Daez. Yeah, let's give him a round of applause. Buong araw kami nag-shoot nun. So, thank you so much, Emilio, for being super game with everything. And it was fun. Aside from the fact na kinailangan kong umiyak sa mga eksena sa shooting, masaya naman. Masaya. Masaya yung buong shooting, yung buong production was very chill. And I hope you guys get my vision for the music video. Ano, Alexa, ikaw ay pintas? Ano? Nagpintas? What's that? It's 2 a.m. in New Zealand using your pink puffer coat. Oh! Yay! I hope na maging useful po sa inyo yung puffer coat na yun. I'm glad that you're able to use it. Winter ba dyan sa New Zealand ngayon? It means maganda. Oh, magpintas. Ano? Nagpintas? Nagpintas means maganda. Thank you. It's Talia. Isang good luck naman po sa akin na magtitake ng board exam. Good luck. I wish you all the best. Pray, pray, pray. Don't forget to pray. Maganda yung Tagalog. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Thank you. I learned something new. You so ganda. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Nanood akong PBB community. Palagi kita support. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nasaan si KD? Nasa bahay niya. Inspiration ng song. Okay, actually, hindi po ako yung nagsulat ng song. The songwriter is Angelica. Oh my god, I'm gonna butcher her last name. Let me double check. I don't want magkamali. Ay, konyo. I don't want magkamali. Yeah, wait lang. Angelica Tagadtad. There. The songwriter's name is Angelica Tagadtad and she wrote a beautiful song. It's really, really nice. So, I guess siya ang na-inspire. Ano kaya ang inspiration ni Angelica? Hi, Ate Mau! Shout out from Zamboanga City. Hi, everyone! Malapit na mag-11. Malapit na rin tayo lumipat sa TikTok. Super love your eyelashes. Thank you. I really love this mascara. I feel like siya yung talagang nakaka-hold ng lashes ko. Hi, Alexa. You're so pretty. Kathy, always my cousin. Hi! Hope to meet you soon. Thank you. Hi, Alexa. Pakibati naman lahat ng members ng Momshies of KD Lex. Hi, mga Momshies! Aloha from Hawaii. Aloha! I've always wanted to go to Hawaii. I want to try authentic poke and authentic spam musubi. Sobrang nakakalungkot, no? Walang music. Oh well, it's okay. 'Cause you are the music in me. Ay. Ultimate crush since going bulilit. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Ano tawag sa haircut ko? Layered. I think. Layered. Alam nyo guys, hindi na ata uso yung mga tawag-tawag ngayon. Basta maghanap ka lang ng picture sa Pinterest. Like ng peg. Tapos yun, pakita mo lang sa hairstylist mo. Thank you to everyone who's watching from all around the world. Nagpatani ka ba? No! I think pumuti nga ako eh. Nagmukha ba akong tan? Hi, Justin! Justin Dizon. Justin Josa Dizon. Okay, smile ka. Ikaw, papakita ka. Eh. Magulo na to eh. Kasi hindi ko to naayos. Basta layer. Layer. Tas may bangs ba ako? Parang wala naman halos. Bakit? Ayan, napaso po kasi ako. Ang galing-galing ko kasi. When are you going back to Zamboanga? I don't know. Hopefully soon. Would you rather have a tree grow or a knee grow? Oh, you're so bad. You're so bad. Oh, you're a meanie panini. You did not. I'm too stunned to speak. Okay na ba sleep mo? It's better. May nights lang talaga na hirap. Visible ba? Yes, you're visible. You like New Jeans, right? They'll have a concert here. I want to watch. I hope not mahal the ticket. Fan na fan mo ako. Thank you po, Tar Hatanur. So, the therapist told me to make a sleep diary. So, that's what I've been doing every night now. Parang how to track my sleep. Also, I wear a ring, if you're familiar. It's called an Oura ring. O-U-R-A. I hope I pronounced it right. But it helps me track my sleep. So, that's what I have to use every night to see how many hours I got. Yeah. And if I had any dreams, I have to log it also sa sleep diary ko, ganon. Have you tried taking magnesium? Actually, I have been. I think it's, I've been taking it for a month. And although it doesn't make me sleep, like it doesn't make me sleepy, what I noticed is, since I've started taking the magnesium glycinate, when I'm able to sleep, I have deep sleep. Like I dream. It's usually uninterrupted sleep. So that's what I've noticed since I started taking magnesium. It's already 10:40. Ang bilis ng oras. And then we're going to transfer to TikTok. Sino po lagi sa dreams nyo? Alam nyo, yun lang. I don't remember all of my dreams. Especially, kunyari na naginip ako, tapos nagising ako in the middle of the night and I have to pee. Wala na, sa umaga hindi ko na maalala yung dreams ko. But yung pinakahuli kong dream, panaginipan ko yung stylist ko. Panaginipan ko si Patty Yap. Nakakatawa. ilang balde ng luha required ng song mamaya para maka-ready. Bigyan mo akong 3 balde. And if you could do more, then do more. Pero 3 is enough. Your eyebrows are so nice. Are you using anything to make it kapal? No, makapal po talaga yung kilay ko. As in, umaabot pa nga yan dito, oh. Sinishave lang. Ayan, oh, may buhok. But ang dami mo pong book. So, nagkaroon kasi ako ng phase. Actually, hindi man phase. Matagal-tagal din ako nahilig sa books. Tapos especially, nung nag-college ako, sobra akong na-addict magbasa ng book. Parang lagi akong nakakabasa ng 1 book a day, ganyan. Pero yun lang, nung super na busy na, hindi na ako makapagbasa ng book. Pero ang pinaka binabasa ko ngayong book is Word Power. Tama ba? Yun kasi yung ginagamit ko to learn English. Word Power book. Yeah. Yeah, Word Power Made Easy. It's a book I would read to help me with my vocabulary. Natural freckles ba yan? Yeah. I have freckles. Although sa left, hindi gaano. Pero sa right, mas madami akong freckles. Do you want to go up, Katie? Or are you resting? Freckles. I didn't really like my freckles before. But there's nothing I can do. Alam niyo, nung bata ako, wala naman akong freckles. Pero nung nagdadalaga na, and then growing up, bigla na lang nagsilabasan yung mga freckles ko. So, si KD ay aakyat daw sa TikTok. Baka nag-rest pa siya ngayon. So, if you wanna see KD, you gotta go to TikTok later. Harry Potter fan ka po ba? I hope that you do not think of me as an uncultured swine. But I haven't watched any Harry Potter movies. I haven't watched any Harry Potter, any Lord of the Rings, any Star Wars. And I know that makes me uncultured. But I just haven't. Lagnat is real. Oh, wawa naman. Wawa. I have a favorite game now. It's called Good Pizza, Great Pizza. It's supposed to be a cozy game, but it's stressing me the heck out. Kaya uso lagnat daw ngayon, no? Kaya dapat doble-doble ang vitamins. Anong name mo sa TikTok, Alexa? Alexa Ilacad. Tama ba? Yun, tama naman, no? Alexa Ilacad. This is my iPad. It's my favorite toy right now. But I'm so sad because I lost my Apple Pencil the other day. And sobrang babaw, pero sobrang sama ng loob ko. Kasi mahal yun eh. Ayoko nang bumili ng bago. Pero di na ako makapaglaro ng pizza. Kasi wala yung Apple Pencil ko. Dengue season, weba? I've never had dengue. I've never been confined, ever. Favorite Friends character? That's so hard. I love Chandler. I love Phoebe Buffet. But a lot of people have told me that I am a Monica. And I love Chandler and Monica. They're like my OTP. Naghuhukay si Blas. Si Blas na kalbo. My dog looks like Dobby. Blush! Hi, Dobby dog! Blush! Shh, blush! Blush! Hi, Dobby! Dobby dog! Looks like Dobby. Dobby is from The Lord of the Rings? Dobby? The alien? Dobby Dog? Star Wars? I've discussed this with KD, but I don't remember. Star Wars? Cute dog. She got... Oh, Dobby's from Harry Potter! Oh, I'm so sorry, see? I'm so sorry. Really? Harry Potter? No! He's from Lord of the Rings. Okay, they said Harry Potter. I told you already. I know, I forgot. No, Dobby's an alien. Dobby... Oh, I'm thinking of Gollum. I'm sorry. I'm gonna Google. Dobby? Where is Dobby from? Dobby. Harry Potter. I'm sorry. Oh yes, that's Gollum. I'm talking about Gollum. And who is Gollum? Gollum. Huh? Why there's no picture? Why are they all human? Never mind. Dobby is an elf. I'm sorry. I don't know. I need to watch Harry Potter. Dobby has big eyes, no fur. Exactly. That's why this girl is Dobby. Gollum is my precious. That's not even the voice, right? That's not even the voice. Blush! Never mind. Gollum is the Lord of the Rings. Then what does Star Wars have? Who is their alien? Who is their creature? Lord of the Rings. Alright. Yes, dark hair. Oh, Jury, alam mo na. Pag nag-ayos tayo, ha, black na yung dadalhin mong hair extensions. What's your favorite app in iPad? This one. My Good Pizza, Great Pizza. It's supposed to be peaceful, but I'm so competitive with myself that it stresses me out. Chewbacca! Oh yeah! Alright. Where's Blush? She's hidden somewhere. Yoda! That one! Blush, do you look like Yoda? I watched Wolverine and Deadpool the other day. It was cool. I didn't understand much, but it was cool. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed Deadpool's sarcasm. But I didn't understand much of the timeline. Eklabu, Churbalu. Do you still play Animal Crossing? I tried to get back into playing Animal Crossing. I wanted to restart my island, but then I would lose all of my money, and I'm pretty rich in Animal Crossing. But no, I just don't know what to do with my island, so I just stopped playing again. I got frustrated. Sino kasama mo mag-watch Secret? Charot, syempre si KD. I watched it for him. Kasi gusto niya talagang manood. Sa lahat ng movie na pinanood namin ni KD, nung nakita namin yung trailer ng Wolverine, nakita ko talaga siya na-excite talaga siya. He was like, and I was like, oh, he wants to watch this. So we have to watch this. Because he was always asking if we can watch. So of course we can watch. But he knows I won't understand anything. Because I really don't know the superheroes. But of course I watched and I enjoyed. I didn't expect to enjoy kasi nga I'm not into superheroes. But I really enjoyed. Especially because the dog is so cute. Dogpool. So cute. Blush, nag-artista yung dog doon. Gusto mo din? Para naman mapakinabangan kita, mapagkakita naman kita. Di ba, Blush? Blush ang paki. Oh, you will not understand MCU until you watch it from the very start, which is Iron Man. I watched the Endgame. That's my first MCU movie. The Endgame. It's funny. Tinapos ko agad. Unang pinanood ay yung katapusan. tas nanonood kami ng Deadpool. Ang daming mga characters. Tas lahat ng mga tao, pati si KD, oh my God! Naggagaganon sila. Oh my God! Sobrang na-excite. So, di ko gets. Sabi ko, bakit ang saya nila? Sino ba to? Sa loob-loob ko. Hindi ko sila kilala. I mean, they look cool. Pero hindi ko sila kilala. Tapos, nahiya naman ako istorbohin si KD na what's this, who's that, what's happening, who is this person, ganyan. So, inayaan ko na siya mag-enjoy. Hindi ko na siya in-istorbo. Nag-google na lang ako doon. What is the ending? Nagagaganon na lang ako. Tapos, tinatry niyang i-explain sa akin, pero hindi ko rin naman naiintindihan. What, you watch Endgame without Infinity War? Yes, what's Infinity War? Sorry na. Hindi talaga ako maalam sa mga, mga superhero. But, if you ask me about Law and Order, that I know. Does anyone here watch Law and Order? I need someone to talk to. Law and Order is my life. Anong oras na? 10:52 na. Matatapos na pala ako dito. Paano kaya ko ba sabay dalawa? TikTok tsaka IG. Does anybody watch Law and Order? I love Law and Order. Dun dun! Yes! Katie, text me. Text me. Come on, text me. They have to hear my ringtone. Text me, please. Please. Come on. Katie Marie, text me, please. Hey, so tagal. Katie, are you here? Text me. Text me now so they can hear. Dun dun, come on. Tagal. Wala pa. See, I'm not receiving anything. I did. No, you didn't. Because I don't get it. Did you hear? Hey, did you hear? Did you hear? Dun dun. I love that. I love Olivia Benson. Me too. I love her. I love Ice-T. I love Casey Novak. She is gorgeous. Nag-text na daw. Yes, nakuha ko na. Thank you so much for your participation, Katie Marie. Thank you so much. Actually, it's even my ringtone. And kaso I'm using the phone right now, so you won't hear it even if Katie Marie calls, because this other phone has an Animal Crossing ringtone, so you won't hear my dun 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 dun. Ever heard of Mandy Moore? Of course. Why Katie Marie? Why nga ba? Cause of Leo Marie. Leo Marie, the producer, the director, Mr. Leo Marie. Nung nag-shooting po kasi kami sa Hong Kong, lahat may Marie. Everyone has a Marie in their name. Alexa Marie, Direk Cathy Marie. Lahat kami nalagyan niya ng Marie. So, wala lang. In front of you guys, it feels weird to call KD just KD, so I have to put a Marie. Dun, 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 dun. Hi, Mama July! Ang init Ba't gano'n ang init ng aircon ko? Sino po bias nyo sa Bini? Okay, so ganito kasi yun. Alam, sobrang lately lang ako nakakanood ng mga Bini-Bini. And I understand, it sucks you in pala. Like, at first you're like, oh yeah, Bini, yeah, they're good. And then you watch one video. And then you watch 5 videos. And then 10 videos. And you're like, Bini. My bias, I will always be biased to Aya. because she's the first Beanie Girl I met. No, actually, first Beanie Girl I knew of. And she's very nice. And she's very smart. I rarely see them though. But I've got a slight crush on Mika. She's gorgeous. Gorgeous girl. But I have a bias wrecker. I now understand what a bias wrecker is. I was like, what is a bias wrecker? What are you wrecking? I don't understand. And my bias wrecker is Sheena. Yeah, Sheena. Is that Taylor Swift on your shirt? Yeah! I got it from the Eras tour. My bias wrecker is Sheena. Sheena. Sheena Marie. Yeah. I really love her dancing. Parang hindi ko namamalayan. Sobrang tagal ko na palang nanonood ng mga video niya. Minutes na lang here. Oh, okay. So, before I end this and before we move to TikTok, guys, we're not sleeping yet. Hindi pa oras ng tulog. Pero sige na nga kung gusto niyo matulog. Sino ba naman ako para pigilan kayo? Pero, yeah, we're gonna move to TikTok. Doon tayo talaga magsasalubong. But before I leave Instagram, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who watched our TikTok live. Kahit wala naman talaga tayong pinag-usapan na matino. But, yeah, I hope you can show some love to my upcoming single, Kung Naging Tayo. It will be out this 12 midnight. It will be out on Spotify, on Apple Music, etc., etc. You can stream it starting this 12 midnight. This is for all my Hugot peeps out there. If you want a Hugot song, listen to this. Okay? Kung Naging Tayo, again, it will be out this 12 midnight, and the music video starring Emilio Daez will be out on August 3. Tama ba? Tama. August 3. Yay! Kumbaga, ginawa kong Hollywood yung atake. Diba sa Hollywood, yung mga singers, they release a song and then the music video next day agad. Or actually, same hour even. Pero sabi ko, sige, next day na ako mag-release. So, ayan. Kaya, sobrang bilis ng release agad ng music video. Tomorrow, 12 midnight, release of the song. And the next day, August 3, is the music video. Hi from Bello Fam. Hi, my Bello Fam. The reason for my smaller face. Thank you, Dr. Bello. Yeah, so 1 minute na lang. And then, lipat na tayo ng TikTok. Again, thank you guys so much for watching here. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Baboo!